lungs fall shut. I got nothing new. How could I express all my gratitude? I could sing these songs as I often do, but every song must die, and you never do. So I threw up my hands and praise you again and again, 'cause all that I have is a hallelujah, hallelujah. And I know it's not much, but I've nothing else fit for a king.